What did you say, sweetie? What? Oh, I totally agree. How big was it? Are you serious? Are you telling a fish tale? I don't think it was that big, sweetie. No, no, no. You couldn't have caught a fish that big. Did it? Really? Was it really that big? Was it a shark? How many hours did it take to reel in? All around the clock? So like 24 hours? Are you serious? You must have been very tired. Oh, and then after, did you eat the fish? No, you threw it back in the ocean? You threw it back? Oh, okay. That's why I didn't get to eat any. Right? You didn't bring any home for Daddy? No way, right? No. What? Yeah. And does that fish get bigger and bigger each time you tell the story? No? Oh. Okay. Okay. Elliot. Oh, yeah. Elliot. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetie.